Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we had seen exercise second C of second topic fractions. Okay. So question number 1, 2 and 3 are already completed, and I think you try to solve the remaining problems. So now I will explain you question number 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So see this problem. Question number 4. What is given here? 1/3 of the 6 dozen fruits in a fruit seller's cart are apples. If 1/4 of all fruits are oranges and the rest of the fruits are bananas, how many dozen bananas are there in the fruit seller's cart? Okay, a fruit seller is there. In his cart there are total how many fruits? 6 dozen fruits. In his cart there are 6 dozen fruits. 6 dozen fruit means how many fruits are there, that you have to write first. You know very well, 1 dozen means how many? How many pieces? 1 dozen means 12 pieces. So 6 dozen means 6 into 12 is equal to 72 pieces. Okay. So first we have to write like this. 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. So therefore 6 dozen is equal to 12 into 6 is equal to 72 pieces. Okay. Now what is given again? See here. 1/3 of the 6 dozen fruits in the fruit seller's cart are apples. Means out of 72 pieces, 1/3 fruits are apples. So 1/3 of 72 means how many are apples? That we have to find now. Okay. So therefore 1/3 of 72 are apples. So therefore 1/3 of means into 72 is equal to how many? You have to divide this 72 by 3. What you can get here? So you have to divide this 72 divided by 3. 3 to the 6, 1 2, 3, 4 the 12 means 24 are apples. 24 are apples. Can you tell me 24 apples means how many dozen? It is 2 dozen. Okay, we can write here also 2 dozen. 2 dozen fruits are apples. Now next one. Again what is given here? 1/4 of all the fruits are oranges. 1/4 of 72 are oranges. Means how many are oranges, that we have to find. So 1/4 of 72 are oranges. Means how many? Therefore 1/4 into 72 is equal to how many? So again 72 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Here 3 2 4 8 are means 18. 18 fruits are oranges. 18 means how many dozen? How many dozen? 1.5 dozen. 1.5 dozen. Okay. So now what we have to do here? Our total fruits are 72. Out of 72, 24 are apples and 18 are oranges, and the remaining are bananas. So how many bananas are there, that we have to find. So what we have to do? We have to add these two, apples and oranges, number of apples and number of oranges, and subtract this quantity from total number of fruits, 72. So whatever may be the remaining fruits, that is the bananas. Okay. So we can write here. So number of bananas is equal to number of bananas is equal to 72 minus 24 plus 18 is equal to how many? 24 plus 18. What you can get? 42. So 72 minus 42. 72 minus 42. So what you can get here? 72 minus 42 is 0 here 3. 30 fruits. These are bananas. 30 fruits means how many dozen? How many dozen? So you can add the dozen. 2 and 1, 3. 3 and a half. Okay. So this will be equals to 3 and a half dozen are bananas. Okay, understood this? Understood this problem? So write down. Now the next problem, see here. Question number 5. Write down this. See here, next problem. Question number 5. Jaya had 3 ribbons with her. The length of green ribbon was 12 meters 50 centimeter. The red ribbon was 3 by 5 of the length of green ribbon. The yellow ribbon was 2.5 times the red ribbon. And what is the length of the yellow ribbon? So what is the exact meaning of this? Jaya had 3 ribbons with her. Okay. The length of green ribbon was 12.50 means 12 meters 50 centimeter. Okay. The red ribbon was 3/5 of the length of green ribbon, and the yellow ribbon was 2.5 times the red ribbon. So what is the length of yellow ribbon? So first we have to write what is given here. Okay, what is given, that you have to write first. So see here, question number 5. This is also a very simple problem. Jaya had 3 ribbons, red, green and yellow. Okay, so first statement is given. The length of the green ribbon was 12.5 meter. Length of green ribbon is equal to how many? 12.50 meter. Okay. Next statement is given, that is the red ribbon was 3/5 of the length of green ribbon. Length of red ribbon is equal to how many? 3/5 of means into green ribbon. Green ribbon how many? 12.50. So this will be equals to what? That we have to find. What you have to do here? You have to multiply 3 into 12.50 divided by 5. So what you can get? You can get total after solving this one 7.5 meter like this. Means the length of red ribbon is 7.5 meter. Next statement is given. The yellow ribbon was, therefore length of yellow ribbon how many? 2 integer 1 by 2 times. 2 integer 1 by 2 times means into red ribbon. Red ribbon how many? 7.5. So this will be equals to 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 into 7.5. So what you have to do here? 5 into 7.5 divided by 2. So this will be equals to what you can get? 18.75 meter. This is the length of red ribbon. Sorry, length of yellow ribbon. And what is the question here? The length of yellow ribbon is this much. So what is the length of yellow ribbon? So this is the length of yellow ribbon. Means 18.75 meter means 18 integer 3/4 meter. This is the length of yellow ribbon. 0.75 means what? 3/4. Okay, so like this we have to find. You can write this answer or this answer. Both are correct. So you can write any one of them. Now next, write down this. Next problem. Question number 7. 4, 5, 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. 1800 people visited a book fair. 7 by 18 of them were men and 11 by 24 of them were ladies. The remaining were children. So what fraction of them were children and how many children were present? Okay. So what is given here? 1800 people visited a book fair. Means total number of people is given. So we can write here total number of people is equal to how many? 1800. Okay. Out of 1800 there are some ladies, gents and children. So see here what is given again. Total number of people 1800. Out of 1800, 7 by 18 were men. 7 by 18 of them. 7 by 18. So number of men, how many? 7 by 18th of 1800 are men. Means how many are men? So that we have to find. So this will be equal to 7 by 18 of means into 1800. So this will be equal to 18 1 are 18 1 are 18 and 2 0. 100 7 are 700. So 700 are men. 700 people. 700 are men. Then 11 by 24 of them were ladies. How many ladies are there? That we have to find. Now 11 by 24 of 1800 are ladies. Okay. So 11 by 24 are ladies. Means how many are ladies there? So 11 by 24 into 1800. So this will be equals to what you have to do? You have to multiply this 1800 into 11 by 24. So you can get here 825. So you can write here 825 are ladies. So now the remaining are out of 1800, 700 are men, 825 are ladies, and the remaining are children. So how many children are there? That we have to find. So therefore, number of children is equal to 1800 minus 700 plus 825. 700 plus 825. This question is just like the question number 3. Okay. So 1800 minus how many? 1525. So we can get here total 275. I think 275. These are children. Now you have to find the fraction. Okay, fraction. Fraction. Okay. Fraction means total number of people. How many? 1800. And 275 are children. Means what is the fraction here? You have to divide this number. Simplify this one by 25. So you can get here 11 by I think 24. 11 by 24. So 11 by not 24. 72. 11 by 72. This is the fraction. Okay. Understood? Write down this. Now we will see the next problem. Question number 7. Last question. See here. The product of a fraction and the sum of these two numbers is 3. So what is the fraction? Very simple problem. Product of a fraction and sum of these two numbers is 3. So fraction is not given, but sum of these two numbers that is given. Okay. Product of a fraction. Let the fraction be. Let x be the fraction. Or let the fraction be x. So product of a fraction. Product means multiplication. Product of a fraction and sum of these two numbers. Which two numbers? It is given here. 2 integer 1 by 3. Sorry, 5 integer 1 by 3. Sum means addition. Okay, 6 integer 1 by 3. Is 3 means is equal to 3. Okay. So product of a fraction and sum of these two numbers is 3 is equal to 3. So therefore x into, you have to solve this one. These are the mixed number, you have to convert it into improper. 5 is are 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 3. Here 16 is 18 plus 1 19 by 3. This will be equals to 3. So therefore x into 16 plus 19, how many? 3 is same. 16 plus 19, 19 means 35. This will be equals to 3. Okay, so this will be equals to x is equal to 3 as it is. You have to write this number is divisible to this number. Okay, keep this divided by 35 by 3. So you have to convert it into 3 into, means reciprocal of this number 3 by 35. Means you can get 9 by 35. 3 is the 9 among 35. So x equals to 9 by 35. So this is the fraction. So in this way you have to find. Okay. And next problem you have to try to solve question number 8. It is just like this problem. And remaining problems we will see later on. Okay. So till then, thank you.